Hi everyone, my name's Tommy and today I'm going to give you a free English lesson. Okay, when we talk about sports, we use a verb before the sport. The verb will be do, play, or go. Okay, we are talking about sports that we do ourselves, not sports we watch. Okay, so which sport do you use which verb? There are 3 different rules and they're quite easy. So for play, we use play before sports that have a ball and team games, okay? So you play football, you play tennis. If the sport has a ball or is a team game, you play it. The second rule is with go. We use go before sports that end in ing. For example, you go swimming, you go kayaking, okay? And the last one is do. We use the verb do before sports that are individual and do not have a ball. For example, you do judo, you do gymnastics, okay? What I want you to do is have a look on the board and I want you to put the sport into the correct category. Do you do them, go to them, or do you play them? You decide. Pause the screen and have a go. Okay, the answers should look like this. Alright, thank you very much. Before I give you your homework, please a reminder to like the video because it helps my channel and subscribe for more English lessons. Now, in the comments for homework, what I want you to do, I want you to tell me about a sport you used to do when you was a child. For example, I used to play football and sometimes I would go skiing. What did you used to do as a child? Okay, that's it from me. Thank you very much, and I will see you tomorrow.